Rezifine AI is one of the most exciting AI software releases I've seen, and if you're wondering whether it lives up to the hype, you're in the right place. I'm going to share with you 7 crucial things you need to know about this software, and by the end of this review, you'll have a clear picture of whether it's the right tool for you. Stick around because I'll also let you know how you can try this software completely free. Let's dive in. First off, Rezifine AI has been making waves in the digital marketing space due to its highly intuitive interface and powerful AI-driven capabilities. This software is built for marketers, content creators, and businesses looking to automate tasks and streamline processes. It's designed to save you time while improving your overall efficiency, something every marketer or business owner can appreciate. One of the standout features of Rezifine AI is its ability to generate high-quality content at scale. Whether you need blog posts, social media updates, or even email newsletters, this software can handle it. It uses advanced natural language processing to craft content that feels human-like and engaging, which is critical when you're trying to connect with your audience. What sets Rezifine AI apart from others on the market is its deep customization options. You can train the AI to match your brand voice and style, so everything it generates aligns with your messaging. This level of customization is usually reserved for more expensive tools, but Rezifine AI delivers it in a user-friendly package. Now, another thing I love about Rezifine AI is its ability to analyze trends and data. This is a game changer for digital marketers who need to stay ahead of the curve. The software pulls from multiple sources, including social media platforms and Google, to give you real-time insights into what's trending, what your competitors are doing, and how you can tweak your strategy for maximum impact. Speaking of strategy, Rezifine AI also has built-in features to optimize your campaigns. It can assist with everything from SEO to paid advertising, ensuring that your content not only performs well, but also reaches the right audience. Its keyword and SEO suggestions are based on current data and trends, which means you don't have to guess what's working. One thing to note, especially for those just starting with AI tools, is that Rezifine AI has a bit of a learning curve. While it's incredibly powerful, it may take some time to master all of its features, particularly if you're new to using AI in your workflow. But once you get the hang of it, you'll see how much time it can save you on day-to-day tasks. Now, I know a lot of you are probably wondering if Rezifine AI is worth the investment, and the short answer is yes. This software brings real value to the table by automating repetitive tasks, generating high-quality content, and giving you data-driven insights. If you're serious about scaling your business or enhancing your marketing efforts, Rezifine AI could be a game changer. Before you go, don't forget to check out the first link in the description. You can try Rezifine AI completely free to see if it works for you. And if you're looking for even more AI tools to optimize your work, I've got my recommended software list down below for you to explore, all after testing thousands of options myself. So, is Rezifine AI the best just released AI software? For marketers and business owners, I'd say it's definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the free trials I've linked below.